Hi guys, welcome to Taking Risks in the Kitchen, but I'm taking a risk because Jeff is late and is stuck in traffic again. But today we're making simple, easy and delicious pretzels. And if you're already one of our subscribers, you already know what to do. Hit that good like button. And if you are one of our subscribers, why not? Because it's not rocket science, it only takes 5 seconds and it's right down here. So subscribe, hit the notification bell and leave that deliciously good like button please. So, and then there's a little twist in this video. You need to look very carefully of where the little Jeff is because it's going to be popping up. It's going to be popping up during the time of the video, and if you spot him, pause the video, look at what time in the video where he was, then write in the comments where he was. And as always, the ingredients are down here. So then I know you guys are already tired of me talking about this intro. So let's go into the video. Come with me. Hi guys, today we are going to make pretzels. And the first thing you need is 300 grams of 300 milliliters of warm water. Not hot, warm, because if it's hot, it's going to kill the yeast. Now we add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Once you do that, mix it. 300 milliliters of warm water. Not hot, warm, because if it's hot, it's going to kill the yeast. Now we add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Once you do that, mix it. Now since we added the sugar and mixed it, you're going to put 1 sachet 7 grams dry yeast. There we go. Okay, mix it. Now you're going to leave it for 5 minutes on the side to let the yeast activate. Now we add 600 grams of flour. Dump it all in. Now we add 1 tablespoon of salt. With the flour. Now we mix it very well. Now we add 2 tablespoons of oil. Put that in. Mix it. Now we are going to add the yeast. Then we have to mix it as much as we can with the spatula. So then we can do it with our hands. Now we are going to mix it with our hands. And if there's some bits sticking onto the spatula, you use 2 fingers to take the remaining things, to take everything off the spatula. Now we are going to mix it with our hands, and if it gets too sticky, we are going to add some extra flour. Now we are going to add a bit more flour. Now we're going to mix it a little bit more. more on the table. Now just continue mixing. As you can see, in, out, in, out. Now we make a ball. Put your hands under the dough to do, then push it. Now since it's nice and thick, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil into the bowl, then spread it all around. Get everything in there, and just spread it around. Then, now, we put the dough back into the bowl. Then we're going to leave it for 1 hour to proof. After 1 hour, the dough is finished. Look at that. Look at that beauty. So now we're going to open it. You can just use your hand if you want to. Open this thing. It's now just flip it onto here. We're going to cut it like this, like this, like this, and like this. Okay? Watch. Now we are going to make the pretzels. Start from the middle, then go out, 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 out. Start from the middle, out, 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 out. Now for the last one. Watch how it goes, people. Double twist if it's too long. Fold it here. Press it. Press the edges on there. Open a little hole here. And there you go. A pretzel. Now we are going to add 100 grams of baking soda into the boiling water. And then put the pretzels in there for 30 seconds. Now we're going to put on the egg wash onto the pretzels all over, as you can see. And then when we're done putting on the egg wash, we are going to put it into the oven between 10 to 15 minutes. Then we'll come back to try. We are going to put it into the oven for 220 degrees between 10 to 15 minutes, and then when it's done, we'll come back to try it. After 15 minutes in the oven, look at them, glistening gold. You can decorate them with a little extra salt, seeds, but I prefer them just like this. And now, look at them. Wow. Now I think it's time to try them. 15 minutes in the oven, we are finally ready to try it. Do you think we should call it up? Do you? Okay. If you guys agree, come on. Let's all go on together. 3, 2, 1. Jeff, come here. The recipe's ready.
Hi. Thank you for calling me to try the recipe, guys. Thank you for staying until this time in the video. I think now it's the time for us to try the amazing bread. So I'm looking at them and you guys cannot believe how how good they look. Look at that. One for Juliet, one for myself. I'm gonna try it. So let's try it.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Before trying, before trying. Nice. Look at that. So soft and crunchy outside.
Our mouths are watering.
Yes. Now we have to try it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and so. Oh my goodness. I can't speak. I'm sorry. I can't speak. Guys, if you like the recipe, don't forget to leave in the comments below. And if you really want to see more recipes from this little chef in here, I'm so lucky that I can rely on her because I was late.
Jeff,
Yeah.
stop talking with your mouth full.
Oh my gosh. One again, slapping my hands. Well, yes, the best chef in the world in here. If you want to watch more videos, please subscribe and leave your like button.
And guys, in the comments, write where you found little Jeff, and please, everyone in the comments, write all in capital letters. Tell this man to please stop talking over his mouth full.
Okay, guys, now we need to do it. We need to see us on the next video. Now it's time to say
Bye.
bye.